Okay, so here we have everything that I'm going to use for the taco list. Well, I guess taco list tacos, or whatever you want to call it. So I've got the ground turkey. I have the taco seasoning here. I'm going to use the lettuce leaves, or the romaine lettuce leaves, as my taco shell. I have some jalapeños that I want to slice up. I really, really love those. And then we have the mild cheddar, sour cream. I'm going to use the mild salsa. And then I've got some garlic. I'm going to use that in several of the recipes, but generally what I like to do is use the olive oil. I've already had the olive oil, but that is really important. I'm going to use the olive oil with the ground turkey. And then I'm going to have some of the garlic sauteed before I put the turkey in the pan. So I'll show you guys that as well.